This video will show you how to set up your CAD file for your robotic total station. In this scenario, I was tasked to lay out a bunch of walls in a building that is being constructed. So, since I have a robotic total station as my tool, I requested for the CAD file of the drawing for this particular uh, walls. So I just don't export this one into my data controller. I do a process where I kind of clean it up, put it in the right scale, and put it in the right location with respect to the coordinate system of the project. So first thing that I would do is I would try to clean it up by removing the hatch. So these are huts here. This huts won't be recognized by the total station, so uh, and they might cause problem during layout. So I'm just gonna remove them, and also I'm gonna explode the blocks. So there are blocks here. Those are blocks, right? I think this is a block as well. So let's go ahead and remove the hatch first. I'll do it by typing in Q for quick select. I'm gonna choose hatch and I'm gonna select all. Hit OK and there you go. I don't want this, so I'm just gonna type in E for erase and my huts are gone. Next is to explode the blocks. So type in Q for quick select, choose block reference and select all, hit OK. I would type in X for explode right there. So my blocks are explode. But then when I exploded the blocks, there were huts that are inside the blocks. That's why they were not removed when I first removed them. So I'll go ahead and repeat what I've done just a while ago. Select hatch, select all, hit OK, and it's gonna type in E for erase. There you go. So I'm done with the first step, with my first step, clean up the drawing. These guys, these dimensions, I'll deal with them later when I'll go to step number 3. Next is to put it into the right scale. So let's check the scale of this one. I think this number is saying 8,218. So from this, I probably can say that this is the scale of this one is in millimeters. So when I say scale in millimeter, I mean 1 unit is equal to 1 millimeter, right? So if I type in L for line, click starting point, and we're gonna type in 1 for the length. That's 1 unit. This will be 1 millimeter in scale, okay? But I still need to verify it. So the dimension system that dimension style that it uses is this one, HCMA standard OPQ. Type in D for dimension style, and then I'm gonna choose this, set it as current, and I'm gonna modify it. Under primary units, I'm gonna check the scale here. So the scale factor is 1. So that if this is 1000, then I can conclude that the scale will be 1 meter, because it's trying to show a dimension in millimeter, but the actual scale of the drawing is 1 meter. Okay, so now that I verified that the scale is in millimeter, I need to reduce it to a scale of 1 meter, because uh, the surveyor scale for this project is in meters. Okay, so in order to put it in a meter scale, I'm gonna use the command scale. I type in SC for scale, and then I'm gonna select these objects that I want to scale, right? And then the scale factor, I'm gonna hit OK. Now it's asking for base point. I'll just click on this as my base point, and it's asking for scale factor. I'm gonna my scale factor for millimeter to meter is 0.001. So I basically make the drawing smaller, right? Now these are the dimensions. Gonna just remove them. That's just what I do. Just erase them. Like that. Make sure that everything is erased. No. So I have this drawing in the right scale now. Okay. Uh, I'm gonna make sure that this is only the drawing in this file. So I'm gonna type in Z for zoom. I'm gonna choose E for extents. I'm gonna hit enter. So turn out that there's a lot of drawings here. I don't need these drawings. I'm just gonna select them and erase. Select this one and erase. Gonna type in D. No, should not be D. Zoom. Z extent. There you go. Now I'm sure that this only the drawing that I have here. so that when I'm gonna export it to my total station, it's just gonna show this drawing because this is what I need, right? And these are the walls actually. Yes, they are labeled as CM. This is CM2, which means it's concrete masonry. It has a certain width here. Oh, wow. Dimension is messed up. Okay, I'm gonna use another dimension style probably. This one, set current. Okay, so this is 100.19 meters or 190 mils. Okay. Uh, so all this one needs layout. This is where's the label for this one? Is CM3, which is was 200. It's 190 as well. How come they have the same dimension? CM2 is CM2 is 140. Okay, so this first part of this two videos where I'm gonna show you how to set up your CAD file for your robot. I'll create another video for the uh, third step, which is uh, conforming the drawing to the project coordinate system. Okay,